yes, nagkaroon po tayo ng surfing break dito sa may tourist area natin, sa particularly sa San Juan, wherein a series of activities ang nangyari po dyan, wherein influx po ang ating mga kababayan and also from local tourists sa ating ginanap na surfing break po sa San Juan. So, yan po wala pong nangyaring any incident happened during that period. Kasi before that, nagkaroon na po tayo ng tabletop meeting with the resort owners and the organizers of that particular events. So, and then naglatag din ng deployment and security plan ng ating Chief of Police dito sa La Union Police Provincial Office, wherein tinulungan po ng ating Provincial Director na mag-augment another personnel from La Union PMFC and other stations to mag-conduct ng security or bantayan ng mga VIPs areas na mga nagpuntahan po dito, yung including mga bisita natin, wherein isa sa mga binantayan po natin yung billeting area. So, yun nga, because of our effort and teamwork, wala pong recorded na any untoward incident.